Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Yabla Language Learning step by step clearly. To activate Yabla Language Learning, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.yabla.com and press enter. Once the Yabla homepage loads, look for the sign up or log in button. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your email and password. If you're new to Yabla, click on sign up to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Some users may need to confirm their email address before proceeding. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Yabla. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Yabla website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the subscription or activate section of your account. Choose the appropriate subscription plan that suits your learning needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. After submitting your payment, your Yabla account will activate immediately. You may now explore the available language courses. Select a language you want to learn and start your first lesson. Enjoy your language learning journey with Yabla. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.